Hi everyone, my name is Aadya. I'm from class 3D. So today I'm going to make chicken pizza with cheese. So this is my pizza dough. This is my pizza sauce. This is chicken. And this is cheese. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to put this pizza sauce. Right, a little pizza sauce. So I'm done applying the pizza sauce. Now what am I going to do is put cheese over the pizza sauce. Let me just spread it. So I have put the cheese. Now I'm going to put the chicken. I'm going to apply the oil. This is the oil. Now I'm going to put it in the plate. Now I'm going to put the pizza on the plate. I have kept the pizza in that microwave. Now I'm going to set this for 1 minute. So 1 minute is about to finish. So let's see how it is. It looks tasty. Is it soft?
Very much. I love it. It's the first pizza made by Aadya. A proper one. Look.
Oh, it's so cheesy.
So cheesy it is. You just wait. Taste this one.
Hot?
No, it's not so much, but just be careful. It's okay, you just pick that.
Whoa. Can I have tissue?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna taste this. It looks so yum. Whoa. Look, the cheese.
Yes.
Whoa. I'm just going to taste it.
Yeah.
This is the first pizza I made ever. Whoa.
How is it?
Superb. Good, Aadya.